Let's just go get our refill.
Guys, isn't this stealing? Also, remember how it just roared?
Dude, come on.
Bring the box.
So now we just have to wait for a gas bubble to rise. We insert the signal box.
And wait for it to fill up?
Yeah, about that. Could be a while.
So hurry up then.
You can do it.
Oh no!
What's wrong?
It tickles. Come on.
Oh, hey, little fella.
Just charging our transmitter.
Gas! Yum!
Yum? Huh?
He thinks you're food or something.
More like a source of energy.
Ah!